Good evening to all. Now I want to share a few things about laser beam machining. First of all, we know the abbreviations about a laser, LASER, light amplifications by stimulated emission in radiation, that is called as laser. In the laser, only we are using the light sources, then that can be having a different kind of parts such as power supply, capacitor, flashing lamp, reflecting unit, lens, workpieces, crystal. So these kind of parts are having the laser beam setups. Now we want to know one by one what is doing the process in the particular domain. First we are focusing on the main power supply, because power supply is transferring from one flash lamp to another flash lamp. In between we are fixing the crystal part, that crystal part having the reflecting unit and the partially reflecting unit. So these are all the setup of laser beam. Now we want to passing the power supply to the flashing lamp, two side of flashing lamp. The power supply is responsible for providing the electric current to the system. The laser beam machining high voltage power system initiate the reaction in the laser, which in turn machines the materials. The high voltage supply facilities essentially initiating the laser pulse. Now we move on a capacitor. So during the power supply we can enable to fix the capacitor in the particular range. A capacitor bank changes the release energies during the flashing process, forming a significant part of the machining cycle. It operates the pulse mode, facilitating effective and charging and discharging. So both we can be attained with the help of the capacitor. Now we move it on the flashing lamp. So both flashing lamp, how it will be work. Electric arc lamp is also known as a flash lamp. It can be produced intensive white light that is converted into a coherent light intensity beam. These lamps are filled with gases in the organic or generating the sustainable energy, or melting and vaporizing the material on the workpieces. So these are all the major work accomplished with the flash lamp. Now we move in the reflecting mirror as well as in the partially reflecting mirrors. So the reflecting mirror come into two types. One is the internal one, another one is the external mirrors. Internal mirrors are called as a resonator, or curricular of generating or maintaining and amplifying the laser beam sources. They did not laser beam towards the workpiece for a material processing, because once a reflecting mirror collecting the gases, I mean organic gases inside in the crystal, so which can be high temperature only, that will be focused on in the direct lens, or otherwise the partial mirror or external mirror can be moved to the upward forces. So that kind of work to be carried on the reflecting mirrors. Now I go with the laser light beam. The laser light beam is focused radiation produces through the process of optimal amplifications based on the coherent of lights generated by the bombarding active materials. So these are all the laser light beams. Now we come with a crystal, a ruby crystal. So the ruby crystal is in between phased, it's near with a flashing lamps. In certain types of lasers like the ruby lasers, or coherent pulses of deep red lights are produced through the concurrent called as a population inservations. The ruby lasers belong to the category of 3-level solid state layers. So this is the major working principles to be carried within ruby crystals. Now I want to move with another thing of focusing the lens. The lens are employed to concentrate the laser beam onto the workpieces accordingly. The laser light first entrance to expanding the lens and then the collimating lens which align the light rays in a parallel way, and explaned lens adjust the laser beam to be desired shape or desired size. Now I will move with the workpieces. The workpiece, which can be made of either a metallic or non-metallic material, undergoes the laser beam process. This versatile machining methods is suitable for working within a wide range of materials. Laser beam, the main applications we can able to machine with the 0.05 micron level So majorly focus on the syringe needles. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.